Hi there, everyone. Welcome to our channel, Rebecca Stu and the crew. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today, we're going to show what's new and what's been restocked at your local Dollar Tree. We're located in the DFW area. I go to a few different stores each week. I combine all the pictures into one video and organize it by section of the store. So let's go shopping and see what's new. We went to the apparel and accessories section, which is usually the socks, t-shirts, and leggings, things like that. They really just had a bunch more of the crew socks of these novelty style that they've been carrying, but I did find some new ones like the Roadrunner and the Rice Krispies squares. Usually they just have like Rice Krispies, looks like the cereal. They had, of course, Daffy Duck, Bart Simpson, which was new. And then they had a few new Angry Bird socks and the Lego waffles or Eggo waffles with the toasters and sunshine there. They had the Oscar Mayer socks restocked also. In the arts and crafts, they have a bunch of the birch and vine fabric in this really pretty springtime colors. I really love the color scheme that they have out right now in the fabric. I'll try to show you guys close-ups as much as I can here. So these are 100% cotton. They're 18 by 21 inch squares, or rectangles, I should say. You can see they have lots of pastels here. There's the white and the black stripes, but then everything else seems to be more of like a pastel color scheme. There's the gray with the sage green, a very soft peach with the white and sage green flowers. There's the peach ombre look with the white kind of checkerboard pattern and the light blue. There's also the 10 count of the LED lights restocked, and we've got some new flowers. So these are called pom pom, and they have these really pretty buds at the top of the flower, and then there's a bunch of greenery underneath. And I just love these. These look so much like a wildflower that would grow in the spring. They have them in a couple different colors. You can get them in purple, pink, blue, white, or yellow. And you can see the greenery down below. See, these are the larger flower buds for the pom-poms. We also have some flowers that are kind of similar in color and style. They almost look like little tiny rosettes with a different type of greenery, and they have those in the pastel colors as well. And what I like about them is you can kind of mix them together with the larger flowers, and they really go together quite well because they just look like a bunch of wildflowers you would see growing at the side of the road or in a large field. I just think they're so pretty. There's some Crafter Square stretched canvas, which are already pre-printed with the picture for painting. They had a koala bear, a llama, and a unicorn. Now we'll check out the health and beauty section. So I'm going to put a few items together, like the cosmetics. I'm also going to lump in the hair care and hair accessories in this section and some of the pharmacy and personal care style items. They had these cosmetic bags with the hearts on this side, which I thought were cute, really just in time for Valentine's Day. They're in this light pink color. There's the Cosmic Illuminator. This always seems to be really popular when they put these out. So this is a restocked item. And then they had quite a few sets of the artificial nails that you could buy, lots of different glitter. They had quite a few pinks and reds. I'm sure as we get closer to Valentine's Day, that will be a very popular color scheme. And then they brought back some favorites like the new ones that have the black trim all the way around the outside. And as you can see, they have lots of different lengths and styles with the way that they're shaped. So you kind of just have to check through all of them. There's so many, I'm not going to be able to show them all. Then we've got the Les Mercerie All Eyes Pressed Eyeshadow restocked. Now these Pro Luxe Matte Setting Powders I showed about a week and a half ago. I just want to make you guys aware, I've been told that there is talc in these. So if you're sensitive to that, you might want to steer clear of that product. The Freeman Pore Minimizing Masks are new in these little tubs. They had some exfoliator and cleanser mask. There was like an oatmeal and walnut, and one was like apple and botanical. There was the purifying cream mask and the jelly masks. They also had an energizing jelly mask for exhausted skin and mood. This one was called the hydrating cream mask for restoring moisture. And then in the blue one here, that one was the anti-stress mask for irritated skin. And then they have the one with the lemon on the front. That one says for radiant skin. Sorry, a little tongue-tied there. The Skintimate exfoliating bath mitts are back in. They have the dual textured mitt, which exfoliates on one side with a smooth, gentle cleanser on the other side. There is the Skintimate satin shower cap, which will keep your hair dry in between wash days. They are satin on the outside, a terry cloth towel on the inside with the plastic liner. They also had these Skintimate microfiber hair towels, and it says it is super soft and absorbent for reducing drying time. And here's a view of the towel from the side. Then they had some of these headbands, which I really liked, with coordinating scrunchies. So this has like a furry kind of zigzag pattern on this side on top of a crushed velvet. They had the scrunchies to match in a very pale pink or this light tan color. And here are the scrunchies, which go with the headbands. Then I fell in love with this scrunchie with the bow. I thought that was really cute with the embroidered flowers on the side. They had some new headbands in pink and light pink. So one's more of like a magenta that has the sequins down the sides, and they're a soft satin. They had a bunch of their pearl headbands in, a couple different designs with the pearls. You can get like the graduating sizes, the real small ones in the white, or they also had the gold, rose gold, and silver beaded headbands. For fun finds this week, I just found some more of those silicone snack topper trays, which go on top of like a Stanley. And there's even a little part there where it rests on the handle. And that's to put snacks and things in for your drinks. Over in the home decor, I found a few more stores that are carrying these wooden flowers, which are like a tabletop design. You can use them to decorate a tiered tray as well. They're very lightweight and really pretty. So I hope you guys are able to find these at your store. I found them over by some of the Valentine's Day items and the restocked items, which are these little wooden balls that they've been carrying for the last like 3 or 4 weeks. And they have those in a few different colors and thankfully restocked. So if you haven't found them yet, keep your eye out for those. I also found these LED pillar candles, which look like they're in a glass holder, which I really like. These are new. They have them in the gray, the light yellow, and the amber color. They had some more of these little baskets. This time they have the dark brown at the top, and some of them have a rope around the top there, which I thought was kind of neat. For the kitchen and pantry section, they had a bunch of these placemats. You get 2 for the $1.25, and they're both the same. So you get 2 of the exact same placemats, but they had cars, a couple of the Disney princess. They had 2 different Frozen. And so you get this one, you'll get 2 of them with the sisters on the front. And then they had this 2-pack of the Stitch. They also had Stitch with his guitar on the beach. This 2-pack here with the Disney Mickey Mouse. And I took a picture of the opposite side so you could see it without the tag in the way. Of course, you can't forget Minnie. And then there is Mickey and his little dog. All the Disney characters there, like Donald Duck, Goofy, and then they had Winnie the Pooh. I found some more of the sink strainers as well. There's the Disney Nightmare Before Christmas, Minnie Mouse, and Stitch. And those are hanging on the plastic strips by the glass jars and the coffee cups. The seasonal items, we have some new items for Valentine's Day and some restocked items. There's the wooden heart picks. You can get those in 3 different colors. These always sell really quickly. I think this is like the 4th time I've seen them put these out since the season started, and they sell out each and every time. You get 20 in a bag. They have more of these little critters, which are heavy at the bottom, so they can sit up nice on the shelf. I think they're so cute. I love the cat. I think he's my favorite. And then, of course, they've got the 2-pack of the Friends. It's like coffee and donut. They have, peanut butter and jelly and things like that. They restock those. Those 2-packs are also very popular for gift giving for Valentine's Day. They've restocked a bunch of the candy as well. Some new items I found this year were these shaped marshmallows in the pink and white hearts. They have, of course, their conversation hearts in, or you can get the 4-pack of the Snoopy conversation hearts to give out. They also had the swirled lollipops that look like heart shapes and the candy bracelets, which I know are always a favorite for little ones. I also found the 4D gummy roses in these clear cubes and the rock candy strawberry and grape rock candy lollipops. You get those in a 4-pack. They had some Disney princess boxes of chocolate. There was like Ariel, Belle, and I believe it was Sleeping Beauty. A bunch of different Valentine's Day cards. You get some of them like 200 stickers with the card. Some have rolls of stickers and activity sets. There were some with pencils. I found some that had tattoos and different games and puzzles to go with them. Some had crayons, lots of different options there. They had the decorate your Valentine's Day box kits. It has everything you need to decorate your mailbox for the classroom if you have any little ones or grandkids that still do that for school time. They even had one that looks like a gnome in a truck. They restocked their tumblers, which are the dark red and the dark pink heart shapes. They have these heart shaped straws. You could either get the solid pack of all red or the purple and pink pack. So I know they look kind of the same color, but they're kind of mixed half and half purple and pink. For St. Patrick's Day, they have the DIY signs restocked this week. There's the lucky pot of gold and the rail wreath forms that say love with the shamrock. There's the little truck there with the shamrock in the back and a gnome holding their shamrock. We have some shamrock signs which look like a wood pallet, has a little bit of a galvanized metal piece in the middle, and lots of different window clings. They have a whole bunch of the shamrocks. They say Happy St. Patrick's Day. There's pots of gold. They also have like the little truck, the hats, the rainbows, some that have the buffalo plaid, these little tiny signs, which would be perfect for crafting. You could put these on wood and different things. You don't just have to put these on windows. There's lots of different ways to craft with these. So I always encourage you to look through those. The springtime items, I found a few more items they have out this week. There's the wind chimes. A few of these I did show last week, but I'm going to show a few of them because I couldn't remember exactly what all I had shown you guys because I mix my pictures up. So I apologize for that if you're seeing these for week number 2. But there's lots of different like Bumblebee welcome signs, the Bumblebee hives with the wind chimes or bells. And I just think these are so cute. They're like a really thin aluminum with the hanger there. You've got your welcome sign with the flower and the beehive, the as happy as can be with the flowers. And then more of these metal signs for the garden. It says let it be. So these are about a 10-inch circle. They're quite large. They have a bunch of these garden signs out, and then some more of the ones with like the gnomes and then the bumblebee and the gnome. They also had some little stones for the garden. This one says be yourself and do your own sting. There's welcome to our garden with the bumblebees and welcome to my garden. That one has the flowers and the bumblebees, or the beehive here that says be happy. They had the 4-piece of the stepping stones. These are the little bit larger ones. It says home is where the honey is. It has a gnome on the front. Let it be with the beehive and some flowers. Welcome to our hive. And then this one says happy as can be. It's a bunch of daisies with some bumblebees. They have the bumblebee gnomes. There's 4 of them. They are ceramic. And then the ceramic stepping stones that look like a flower. They have a purple one, yellow and white. And then this one is the 2-tone yellow with the bumblebees. They have this planter here with the weathered look, has bumblebees on the side. It's a very pale yellow. This little planter with the bumblebee and the garden sign, which I know for a fact I showed you guys about a week or so ago. They also have this deco mesh in the yellow and black, so you can use that to make some bumblebee decor. And they mixed in a little bit of lemon ribbon there. They have the honeycomb lemon, some a little bit wider burlap ribbon with the wire on the end. It's about 1/2 inch wide, and they had the sage green, and that's all by that garden stuff. It's not in the arts and crafts section. For the toys and games, I found the micro pickleball set for $1.25. They had micro cornhole, also the toss across mini game. These are all by Mattel. There's the magic 8 ball. You can also get micro kerplunk. Has all the little beads and the sticks there. There's Rock'em Sock'em robots. Fun for an Easter basket. For the Dollar Tree Plus section, we have the 6-outlet power strip for indoor use only. Those are $5. They had a bunch of the auto grip car mount for the dash for your um, cell phone. These large baskets with the oval shape, those are $5. They had these extra large vases. These are between $3 and $5. The LCD writing tablet, which is 10 inches, and you just push the button at the bottom and it erases. These are perfect for like jotting quick notes down. They have Stick It, which is a sticker pack. Has a little thing you can push it down, makes over 40 3D stickers. There's the Rocket 3D Glow Paint set and the Dig It. It's like an excavating gemstone um, kit here that you can get. It has a bunch of gemstones hidden in the rock formation. There are these $5 packs of socks. They have Disney Stitch. I believe you get 6 pair in the pack. It's either 5 or 6. I'm not 100% sure right at the moment. These are the low profile no-show socks, and they say Disney at the bottom. Lots of cute pictures of Stitch on all those. Definitely lots of shades of blue. They had the Disney villains. This has like Cruella de Vil. There is like Ursula from The Little Mermaid. And they're all different colors, very bright. They had this really fun pack of Mickey Mouse socks. I love all the light pastel colors that they have them wearing. They had Minnie Mouse as well and Powerpuff Girls. And you do get 6 pairs. So I figured that out. They even had this pack of 6. You get a bunch of Sriracha socks. Then they fit shoe size 9 to 11. I guess you really love Sriracha if you get the Sriracha socks. We have this $3 Valentine's Day garland. Looks like love letters. See the little pom-poms there. They're made out of felt with the hearts. These are some garland with the foam hearts and balls which are glitter. You either get the red and white, the pink, red, and white, the all red. And here's what they look like at the bottom. You can see them a little bit better in the packaging. There's a 72-inch $5 garland with the hearts that have the yarn tassel hanging from each one. These are wooden. These are 6 feet long. You get wooden hearts with the wooden beads. They say like XOXO, hug me, and different things like that. It's a really soft white with a pale pink lettering and the natural looking wood beads. They had some gold and silver and white heart garland. There is the stuffed animals that say things like let's hang out, XOXO, holding a big heart. There's the axolotl with his Valentine's Day bow. Lots of different gnomes with the Easter bunny ears. These are all repeats from last year. They have a whole new shipment of the gnomes back in. There's the tapestry runners for $5. I love the buffalo plaid one with the carrots, but they also have this one. It's like all gray. It has the large bunches of carrots on either side. You can also get the light blue background with the Easter eggs, and they have this floral background with the pale yellow. These wooden boxes with the 3D effect, they are $5 each. They're 12 by 12 inches, ready for you to DIY. There's the bunny, the happy Easter, and farm fresh carrot patch with the little truck and carrots in the back. And that's all for today's video. Thank you all so very much for stopping by and watching this video with me today. If you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to like this video and give it a share and leave a comment down below. I hope to see y'all back here next week, and I will see you then. Have a lovely day, and I'll see you next time.